Table shows the population of bacteria in petri dish in various times. If the pattern continues, what will be the bacteria at 6 p.m.? So you can see it's actually doubling. Okay. So you start with 100. To get to the next one, you double. Right? So you start with 100. Next one is 100 times by 2. Next one is 100 times by 2 times 2, so 2 squared. Right? 2, 3. Okay. You can even say this is 2 to the power of 0, because 2 to the power of 0 is 1. I put that there to show you, okay, to make the pattern more obvious. Okay, so this is 8 a.m., right? 10, 11, 12. Okay, and then 1, so basically 13. 2 to the power of 4. Okay, so at 6 p.m. in 24-hour clock, right, is 12 plus 6 is 18. So it's going to be 100 times by 2 to the power what, right? So do you see how here it's 10 minus 9 gives you that? 11 minus 9 gives you that. 12 minus 9 gives you that, right? So it's always minus 9. So 18 minus 9 is 9. So that is the population.